Hello friend, this is my YouTube channel IT Pro. You can watch it for a strongly foundation of information technology and promises you to give you conceptual knowledge in computer. Keep watching for latest videos. Time to time I will come with the latest video in computer. Thank you. Here I am going to start the introduction for small basic, starting with why is small basic. The reasons for the small basic is the first one. Small basic is an educational language especially designed for the learners to create a program based on blocks, that is block based program. Second step, that is stepping stone for learner, which is used in the learning. And third is for the small basic program for robot or robotic classes. Here is the icon. Double click on it to open it. Then after, the environment will be open, application window. Here the button different between, one is new, open, save, save as, import, copy, paste, cut and run. And the important one is that feature for development writing program is the code window. In that code window, and when you will open, the window will open named as untitled, which you will see on the screen. Here you write a program for the beginning in the small basic. The first program, and program name is hello world, and in the code window there is the line will appear. The first window you will type text window, and in text window whenever you will write T capital and in window W capital, then after the period represented with a dot, and you are going to show the line, so that's why you will use the command write line. For that, W is capital, I is capital, then after parenthesis double quotes hello world, whatever you want to write, you will write within the quotes under the parenthesis. Then after, click on run. Then it will goes to run. The run mode will open. See here, this is called text window object, that is the run window. The first program we are run, right? Then after, you should get that whatever you are typing, like again we are typing text window. Whenever you are typing the code window will open, that is the help code window, which can help you to get the code. You just scroll your mouse to get the different sub commands with their introduction, right? Then after, the writing with the code subcode will be there, that is again the help window will be there. For what purpose you are going to write, it will help you. Then after, suppose write lines, then parenthesis, Then again it will give you the helping code window, that is called intelligence window, that is developed by the Microsoft. Then run it. When you're going to run, again it will run. Then press any key to continue. By this way you can start to write the program. If you want to get some help window which can give you the help window object related with the text, what the command you are going to write, whatever your operation we are making, according it will be open. Same way you just see the program. Again I am going to write text window dot, that is object with the dot. At the right side you will get that the objects will available with that. This is the program for basic. This is the text-based environment. Whatever the information you want to give to display in the form of a text, you can write accordingly. Whatever things you are writing under the parentheses within the double quotes, that will be displayed. If you are making the comments, you can write it directly. That's it. The commands will be there for the comments. Now then after you can go to save, create a folder where you want to save. Save as a project for a small basic. For saving it, click on save as. Then after, dialog box will open. Create a new folder and write down the name of that folder, my small basic program. Then after, double click to open it. Then give the name of the small basic program file and click on save. Then what happened? It will be saved in that folder. This one is the first program as an introduction for those who have never used the small basic. And in this one you have learned the comments and the text. That's it. This is the introductory part for a small basic to learn how to open and make a simple program. Basically this video I have made for those who have start first time Microsoft Small Basic. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you will like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you.